Welcome to this How Adults Use Social Media tutorial. This video will show users how to react to seeing a post or image they might not agree with, find offensive, or worse, get triggered. Everyone has opinions and feelings. But it is only you who can control how you react. It all starts when you see a post, then you decide whether you like, dislike, agree with, disagree with, or worst case scenario you get offended by it. Now you must decide whether to scroll past or engage with an emoji, a like, a comment, or go into a psycho rant of poor grammar and spelling, with no idea of reality. If you scrolled past, added a like or an emoji, you're done. If you comment, you may get interaction. If you choose a rant, you will likely get an interaction. Remember, all choices other than scroll will have you being judged by others. If you get an interaction, you have the choice of ignoring, liking, or more dialogue. Should you choose dialogue, we advise you to do so in a respectful manner. Because too many people are getting too comfortable with saying things without getting punched in the mouth. And that can have an unpleasant effect on a person's health in the real world. So it is recommended you avoid name calling, making threats, and such behavior, if you're really just a pussy talking trash, because your keyboard gives you imaginary superpowers. Keep it real, but know your lane. Now you know how to use social media like an adult. Keep in mind, textual interactions can be interpreted by others differently than you intended, due to text lacking many language nuances. So try to be clear, to the point, and open-minded when interacting online. As a bonus, here are some topics to avoid in today's oversensitive world. Abortion, because you are talking about life and death. Anything trans, because people can be cancelled for their knowledge of basic biology and knowing the difference between real and pretend. Trump, because everything is his fault always. Biden, because it is not polite to talk about an elderly man with good intentions and a poor memory. Pedophiles, as a topic, have been removed from this list due to the fact we encourage you to voice your opinion. After all, we want to know who the sickos are and to let them know we will not tolerate this blatant sexual abuse that has gone on for years with Hollywood, government officials, and other so-called elites. Remember, maps are not minor attracted people, but a way to locate places, businesses, residences, and remote rural areas. Thank you for watching.